Okay, you guys. What's up, YouTube? And I am back with another video. Guess what I'm about to do today, you guys? Just guess. Guess what I'm about to do? I have a big surprise for you guys. I am going to eat Captain Crunch Christmas Crunch. Y'all, I never tasted these before, and I want to try them. And they look delicious. How many of y'all love Captain Crunch? Because I love Captain Crunch. I can eat probably about 4 bowls without getting full. Yep. I'm about to eat some Captain Crunch, you guys. Yummy. Y'all want some? I'll give y'all some if y'all want some. Y'all can be acting like y'all shy. Like, somebody asks y'all supposed to say something. It's rude. It's rude for y'all not to say nothing. Somebody asks you, do you want something? Y'all just looking like something wrong or something. Somebody did nothing to y'all. Y'all, what am I talking about? Like, for real, what am I talking about? I don't think y'all can see it. I gotta make sure y'all see it too. Y'all, I don't know. I don't know how that's gonna work. Okay. Y'all can see it now. Okay. Let me scoot back. Y'all could have told me when to stop. Like, y'all know I was gonna fill it up all the way to the bottom, all the way to the top. And I don't know what type of people y'all are. Y'all just, I don't know. Or am I just yapping at the mouth, y'all? Am I just yapping? Just yapping at the mouth. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it for the first time. I'm gonna try it, you guys. And if y'all ever tried this, let me know, like, comment. And I want y'all to give me, you know, y'all rating on it. Y'all like it. Rate it 1 through 10. What do y'all think? I don't know if that music is too loud. I might need to turn it down a little bit. Okay, you guys. It's so good, y'all. I think I was over exaggerating, y'all, but it's good. Can't go wrong with Captain Crunch. Somebody turn that down. You can't go wrong with Captain Crunch. Like, man, y'all. I hope that I'm not smacking, because one thing I hate is somebody just smack You're smacking. I don't like when people just be smacking my ear. Like, it makes me want to curse them out. I'm gonna give y'all my rating, my honest rating. Let me take about, 2 more. Do anybody else like hold their bowl while they eat? No. Now, to be honest, I think the regular kind is better. It's better, but this is good too. Oh, y'all should definitely try it. Very good. Here. I'm really not smacking, so it might be the camera. If y'all hear anything, it might be the camera, because I'm not. You just let me know. Comment down below. Y'all, I'm already getting full. I thought I wouldn't be full quick, but I'm already getting full. What are y'all doing for the holiday? Comment down below and give me more ideas on what type of videos I should do. Oh, I forgot to rate these cereal. What should I rate it? Take one more. Maybe a 7 out of 10. They're good though. I just think they're kind of they're a lot sweeter than the original kind. Yeah. A lot sweeter. Yo, It's delicious. What is y'all favorite? Let me know what type of cereal do y'all love. I love Cinnamon Toast, Captain Crunch, Fruity Pebbles. And the honeycomb. I mean, no, not those. Honey Nut Cheerios. I'm trying not to waste these cereal and eat the rest of it, but yeah, I'm almost done. Hold on, y'all. Yo, I'm getting bloated. My stomach is getting big. I'm full, y'all. I'm full. I ate a lot of it. I'm full. Well, that was my review. You guys check this cereal out. I mean, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. A little bit too sweet, but it's good. But but if you like this video, I want you to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.